Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SPY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another crazy day here for the SPY thing, and the craziest thing about today's price movement was the majority of the day was just really nothing was going on. I mean, so pretty much that was the majority of the day right here. Gap down and then came up, and then just such a tight, small little range. And then that 30-minute candle showed up, looking like the markets were going to try to bounce. And then the last 30 minutes, things just got pretty terrible there. And the reason why I wanted to leave these green lines up here from previous videos is that really kind of does a good job of showing how bearish it was. Is the price, that first pullback there, you can see that initial support level did hold it. But this final 30 minutes, not only did the price fall below that initial support, it fell down below both of them. So overall, a very rough final 30 minutes. And I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of these lines. They've served their purpose for now, because the big dynamic here is this the start of something much bigger? Had the same thing yesterday, kind of a case of deja vu when I did the video, but on Monday, the last 30 minutes was crazy to the downside. Granted, the price recovered, but now what makes this so much different, and I realized I deleted it out, but I want to get it in, is the price is now broken down below that level of support. So now all of a sudden it's putting itself into almost a little free fall territory. Now, I don't mean free fall in the sense of the price has to go down and close the gap. That's not true at all. Gaps do not have to close. But my point here is that the price has now entered into, this bigger space on the chart where, because of that huge gap up that occurred on Monday, that's the catch-22 of the bigger gaps. It does create spaces like this, and the price has entered into this big old space. Once again, just to really reemphasize there, I'm not saying that the price is for sure going all the way down there to 285 or 286, right around there, and closing the gap. My point is, it's not unreasonable. It's not, it's not irrational to think that this could be the start of more downwards pressure and more bearishness because, again, the price has entered into that overall area of the chart. Now, if the price all of a sudden decides it wants to just snap right back upwards, key area of resistance that I'm very curious about now is going to be that resistance trend line right there. So we'll see how the price reacts to that moving forward. But yeah, as of right now, I'm definitely quite bearish headed into Wednesday. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.